Good morning. Today I am going to talk on next autocoid, that is serotonin. It is also known as 5-hydroxytryptamine. In short, it is said 5-HT. 5-hydroxytryptamine is a monoamine neurotransmitter biochemically derived from tryptophan. Tryptophan is an essential amino acids, and it is changed to 5-hydroxytryptophan by the enzyme hydroxylase. Now, after 5-hydroxytryptophan, this is converted to 5-hydroxytryptamine by the enzyme carboxylase. Now, 5-hydroxytryptamine is metabolized by monoamine oxidase into aldehyde, and then aldehyde oxidase is then metabolized into 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid. 90% of 5-HT or serotonin is found in enteromin of gut mucosa. 8% is found in platelets and 2% is found in blood. In animal also it is found in venoms of wasp sting, bee sting and scorpion sting. In plants it is found in pineapple, banana, pear and tomato. Now, action of hydroxytryptamine or serotonin. Serotonin pathways that are located in the brain stem area, the Raphe nuclei. These neurons control muscle activity. 5-HT receptors trigger vomiting. The serotonin neurons in frontal cortex regulate cognition and memory. The serotonin neurons in the hippocampus regulate memory, and the serotonin neurons in other limbic areas regulate mood. SSRI, that is selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, work in this pathway. This serotonin works through receptors, and in this there are 7 receptors, 7 families of receptors, namely 5-HT1. It has several subtypes like 5-HT1A, 5-HT1B, 5-HT1C, 5-HT1D and 5-HT1E. Next family is 5-HT2. In this there are 3 subtypes: 5-HT2A, 5-HT2B, 5-HT2C. Next family is 5-HT3, and next is 5-HT4 to 5-HT7, that is 5-HT4, 5-HT5, 5-HT6 and 5-HT7. All these receptors are G protein coupled receptors except 5-HT3, which is ligand gated ion channel receptors. Now, action of serotonin. In cardiovascular system, this serotonin, the larger arteries and veins are constricted, arterioles are dilated, and venules are constricted, leading to increase in capillary pressure, and thus there is fluid escape. Bradycardia is mostly seen in intact animals. It is due to activation of coronary chemoreflex through action of vagal afferent nerve endings in coronary bed, leading to bradycardia, hypotension, and apnea. This 5-hydroxytryptamine or serotonin has triphasic response in blood pressure. First is early sharp fall in blood pressure, and this is due to coronary chemoreflex. Next is brief rise in BP, brief rise in blood pressure, and this is due to vasoconstriction and increased cardiac output. Third is prolonged fall in blood pressure, and this is due to arterioles dilatation and extravasation of fluid. Next, action on smooth muscles. It is a potent stimulator of gastrointestinal tract, both direct as well as through certain enteric plexus. Several subtypes of 5-HT receptors are present in the gut. Peristalsis is increased and diarrhea can occur, and this is due to increased secretion from gastrointestinal tract. Next action is on glands. Serotonin initiates gastric secretion or inhibits gastric secretion. Both acid and pepsin secretion is depressed, but there is increased secretion of mucus, so it has ulcer protective activity or properties. Next, in respiration, brief stimulation of respiration mostly reflects from bronchial efferents, and hyperventilation are the usual response. But large doses can cause transient apnea through coronary chemoreflex. Now, platelets. Action on platelets. It causes changes in shape of platelets and is a weak aggregator through 5-HT2A receptors. When platelets make contact with injured endothelium, they release substance that protect or prevent platelet adhesion and release 5-HT. In CNS, if injected intravenously, it does not produce central effect as it poorly crosses blood-brain barrier. However, it serves as a transmitter, primarily inhibitory. Direct injection in the brain cause sleepiness, changes in body temperature, hunger, and variety of behavior effects. Now, pathophysiological role of 5-hydroxytryptamine or serotonin. As a neurotransmitter, 5-hydroxytryptamine is confirmed neurotransmitter in the brain. In the brain, cells containing 5-HT are present in the raphe nuclei of brainstem, substantia nigra, and few other sites. 5-HT is probably involved in sleep, temperature regulation, thought, cognitive function. Behavior and mood, vomiting, and pain perception. Neuroendocrine function of serotonin. The hypothalamic neurons that control release of anterior pituitary hormone are probably regulated by serotonergic mechanism. Nausea and vomiting, especially that evoked by cytotoxic drugs or radiotherapy, is mediated by release of 5-hydroxytryptamine and its action on 5-HT3 receptors in the gut and area postrema and nucleus tractus solitarius. Precursor of melatonin. Precursor of melatonin in pineal gland regulates biological clock and maintains circadian rhythm. Now in migraine, it initiates vasoconstriction phase of migraine and participate in neurogenic inflammation of cranial blood vessels. Hemostasis, it causes platelet aggregation and clot formation at site of injury to blood vessels and also promotes retraction of injured vessels. Absorption, fate, and excretion. 5-hydroxytryptamine on oral administration is not significantly absorbed as it is degraded rapidly within gastrointestinal tract. It is satisfactorily absorbed on parenteral administration. It is mainly metabolized by the enzyme monoamine oxidase and excreted as 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid or 5-HIAA, and to a small extent by dehydrogenase to 5-hydroxytryptophol. Uses of 5-hydroxytryptamine. It is not used therapeutically. However, many drugs are known to act by manipulating 5-hydroxytryptamine at various receptor sites centrally or peripherally. Now, there is a syndrome known as carcinoid syndrome. Carcinoid syndrome is a rare disorder with malignant tumors of enterochromaffin cells in the gastrointestinal tract, which usually arise from small intestine and metabolize to the liver. Tumors secrete varieties of mediators. 5-HT is the most important. Now the symptoms in carcinoid syndrome is flushing, diarrhea, bronchoconstriction, and hypotension that causes dizziness and fainting. Now the treatment of carcinoid syndrome is 5-HT2 antagonist such as cyproheptadine given for controlling some symptoms. Thank you. Take care.